Hi everybody, this is the card we're going to make today. So simple little card, very easy to make. Tools coloured in and glued to the front. Raised greeting and another tool inside and some white paper to write on. Let's get started. First of all, we have an A5 piece of cardstock that we fold in half to form the card. Now this is really thick card, so push it down carefully so you don't crack it, and then bone score it. Then we glue on the black, which is about 1 centimetre smaller than the front of the card. Now, the next piece of paper I got, decorative paper, was this one. And anything that looks like you could hang timber on. I've got a couple of others here. That one would be nice. Corrugated iron would be nice. Another wood grain effect would be nice. Once you've got the black on, cut the next piece of paper to size, and then what you're going to do is I'm using some clip art, but if you had stamps, you could stamp out those images, and I'm going to cut those out. So there they are, cut out. And then I'm going to colour them in. Now that I've coloured those tools in and cut them out, I'm going to place them on here, and I'm going to make them look like there's nails in the timber in order to hang them up. I'm going to use brads for the nails, and in order to get those through there, I'm going to position my tools first. On here. I might just put 3 on. Like that. That one can hang up like that. Make it look a bit more interesting. So therefore, with my sharp pricker tool, I'm going to put one hole through here, one hole just there under that, and one hole in there under that. Now, we then punch a hole through with our brads. But before I completely stick my brads down, I'm going to have to glue my tools on to make sure that I've got them in the right place. and this one will be stuck here. Like that. And then we can then stick the brads through the paper and firm them up on the other side. Separate them out. Push them down flat. Now, because there's brads on the other side, I'm going to put some mounting tape on here to glue that to that, so that the timber looks as though it's sitting out from the wall. And then you just position that in the middle with an even border all the way around. I've decided this red is not standing out as much. I like the grey, but the red colouring in pencil isn't standing out as much as I'd like it to, so I'm going to go over it with a water-based marker instead and give it a more solid, stronger colour. Yes, definitely. Now we're going to stick white on the inside in order to have something to write on. Now we're sticking the white on the inside, and as you can see, I don't waste anything. An even border all the way around. And because I've got an extra little tool here, I'm just going to put that across somewhere. I might just put it there, just to make the bit inside a little bit more interesting. Put it there. Okay, now we just have to add the writing. Now to get it nice and straight, there we go, and then we cut around it. It's like you. Or we stick that to a piece of black cardstock. With an even border on two sides. And then cut the border on the other two sides. And mount that on the front. There we are. Happy birthday. And a little tool inside as well. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye for now.